In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a post in your Facebook page. First, you need to make sure you're in the correct page. So, in the right hand corner, click on the profile icon and click see all profiles, and you can see all the profiles you have. Now, click on the page you want. Once you come that, go ahead in the sidebar, go to Meta Business Suite. Click on that. Now, in the left sidebar, click on Contact. Here, you can see in the top section, create post. Click on that. Now in here, you can start adding the photos or videos if you want, text what you want to post about. I'm gonna put this hi all. Now, if you scroll down a little bit, you can see scheduling options. Make sure the toggle is switched on. Once you've done that, you can select the date and exact time you want this post to be scheduled for. I'm gonna put some date. And also, if you click on active times, it will show you if you have enough data in the Facebook page. It will show you which date is probably the best time to post. Once you've done that, you can see share your stories. If you want to share this post in the story, you can select that as well. Once you configure everything, click on schedule button in the bottom. Now it will take some time to schedule. After that, you can go back to the meta suite, and if you go into content back, now if you go to schedule tab here, you can see all the schedules post in here. And also in the left hand side, if you go to planner, it will show a calendar where it's showing which date is the post gonna be. And that's how you schedule a post in Facebook page. If this video helped you to do this, just subscribe to the channel and see you next time with another video like this.